Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond Mind in case you are new to my channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Also, if you want to check out a couple more videos, definitely be my guest and scroll through some of my videos. I hope you will be able to find something that was helpful. So if you did hit that subscribe button, welcome to the Diamond Gang. Let's get started. This is the first time ever that I am doing a synthetic wig video. I'm excited, but I'm nervous at the same time. I used to wear synthetic wigs and half wigs like probably about 10 years ago, especially when I was getting into the whole journey with my relaxed hair. So the synthetic wig that I'm using today is from Newborn Free. It is a cutie wig collection. The one that I have is CT45. This is a color 1B. I did get mine from my local beauty supply store, but I'm sure they sell this online as well. So and I did want to do something, you know, different. So I hope I don't look crazy. So it comes with some hair care instructions, and it basically tells you how to wash the hair, things to do, things not to do. This wig does not allow heat. You will burn the hell out of this wig if you try to apply heat to this wig. It says you don't have to do anything to this wig. If you decide to wash it, the hair will snap right back in place. That's one of the good things about synthetic wigs. So this is what the wig looks like. As far as the inside of the wig, it's pretty standard. It does come with one big comb in the front and one big comb in the back. Of course, this wig does not have any lace on it, so you're not going to get like that illusion of a scalp. This wig was $24.99, $25.99, something like that. It wasn't really expensive at all. All right, honey, let's put her on. Okay. Woo, girl. Woo. Okay. Wow, well the fit is good, but I really thought I was getting more hair though. What the hell? Okay, let me find out. One thing that's already frustrating me is this comb in the front. Like, the combs need to be on the side. And this wig is so lopsided, honey. Girl. Fucking tried it. Fucking tried it. Oh, it really don't look that bad. It's just that the wig is damn crooked. I can't get the wig straight, and it's a little too big for my head. Okay, I ain't mad. Out here in these streets looking like my grandma. I really ain't mad though. Like, it's actually cute. Okay, I see you. Add just some little feathers to the hair, girl. Girl, I cannot. So it don't look bad. Okay. Okay. I mean, it would definitely take me some getting used to because I don't wear hair this short. But someone who loves short hair and short hairstyles, this will be perfect for someone like that. Someone who wants to try a short hairstyle, you know, for an affordable price, and, you know, just want to get a vibe on how they would look with short hair. This is a good alternative as well. Now, okay, truthfully speaking, I probably would not wear this out. I don't know, because I mean, it don't look that bad. I just look like, you know, somebody auntie or something like that, you know, which ain't a bad thing. I'm just saying I look very mature for my age, you know what I mean? So I definitely don't want to look older, especially when I'm not. So I don't really know how I feel about this wig. Like, I feel like I like it, then again I feel like I don't like it, but it has nothing to do with like the wig or the quality of the wig. It's just more so me being uncomfortable and never having a wig this short. So it would just take me some time to get used to it.